If you've lost access to your American Express account due to suspicious activity, follow these steps to regain access and secure your account. Step 1. Contact customer service. Call the American Express customer service number found on the back of your card or on their official website. Explain the situation and provide any necessary identification information. Step 2. Verify your identity. Be prepared to answer security questions to verify your identity. This may include providing your social security number, account number, or answers to previously set security questions. Step 3. Review account activity. Once your identity is verified, request a review of recent account activity. This will help you identify any unauthorized transactions and ensure your account is secure. Step 4. Update security settings. Change your password and update your security settings. Consider enabling two-factor authentication for added security to prevent future unauthorized access. Step 5. Monitor your account. After regaining access, closely monitor your account for any further suspicious activity. Regularly check your statements and set up alerts for transactions to stay informed. By following these steps, you can regain access to your American Express account and enhance its security. Always stay vigilant about your account activity to protect yourself from future issues.